Hey guys, it's Camie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. This is just something I kind of put together last minute. I'm about to go out to dinner with some of my girlfriends. It's date night for us. So I just thought I would film me getting ready. So without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. Okay, so we're going to start with our P. Louise base in the shade number 2. And I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics V5 brush. And I'm just going to pop this on the lid all over, just so our shadows have something to stick to. You guys, it is like so wet and windy out here. It is crazy. Once we got that on, I'm gonna go in with my Baked Browns palette. Looks like this in the shade Cherry Wood, this one right here. And just find a brush. I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E45 brush, pick up that Cherry Wood, and I'm just gonna plop it right into the crease. I'm gonna pat it into the crease, just kind of creating a line. And I'm patting it in so it's not like super blotchy like it would be if you were to swipe it back and forth. And I'm just gonna build up the color. Guys, I'm going out to dinner with some of my girlfriends. I cannot wait to hit up them oysters. I don't know if you guys love oysters like I do, but that is all I'm thinking about right now. I've been thinking about it all week. I just want them oysters. Cannot wait. I'm here for this palette. I'm here for it. I know this looks scary and intimidating right now because you're like, what the hell is she doing? Like, she looks a hot ass mess. But trust us, it's gonna come together. Don't you worry. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with our BD brush. This, what is this? The 785 from the Desi and Cake Dose of Colors Vacation palette. I'm going to take this shade right here, Churro. And I'm just gonna hit that, buff out. Perfect. Go ahead and go in with my Sephora brush. This is just a concealer brush. And my P. Louise number 2, and I'm gonna cut the crease. Okay, once the crease is cut, we're gonna go back in with a dose of colors. We're gonna hit up Just a Kiss right here. I'm going to use just a flat brush. This is a Sigma 520 brush, shader brush, short shader brush. Short shader brush. Jesus, can't get that out. And we're gonna pop it on the lid all over. Awesome. That's where we're at right now, okay? Then once we got that on, I feel like I want to take a little bit back in with a Baked Browns palette, back in with the Cherry Wood and my crease brush, and just tap right up in here real quick. take my Inglot gel liner, my MAC angled brush, and just draw a line. Hey guys, so I don't know what happened. I was in the midst of putting on my eyeliner. My freaking camera just went out on me. Went ahead and applied my lashes. That's all I've done so far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer in the shade NC32. And I'm just going to clean up, make a sharp line right under here on both sides just to clean it up a little bit. And then just drag it down. All right, once we do that, let's go ahead and prime the face. I am going to use Embryolisse cream. Got mine off of Amazon. It's nice and rich. I just love it. And just apply it all over. Once we have our cream on, I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC44. I'm going to plop some on the back of my hand, and then I will be going in with my Real Techniques buffing brush to buff it all the way in. Real Techniques brush, and we are just going to start patting it into the skin and then blending out. Go in with my damp beauty blender and just pat it, or just pat all the areas just to get rid of any brush strokes, you know, just like this. Once we get that done, we're gonna go back in with our MAC NC42 Pro Long Wear Concealer. I'm gonna put a smidge under. I'm gonna go in with the concealer brush and just dab some underneath. And then we're gonna take our damp beauty blender, the pointed side, and blend that out, pressing it into the skin. Okay, then I want to go ahead and go in with my MAC Prep and Prime in the shade Bright Forecast, and I just want to brighten myself up even more because I want to. I'm just gonna hit up here too. You know what? Let's go ahead and do our contour. I'm gonna go in with the one I always use, Tarte Born This Way Multi-Sculpt Concealer in the shade Toffee. 3 dots on each side. And then we're gonna buff it out with our angled brush by Zoeva. Angled buffing brush. So just gonna pat it into the skin and flick it up and back. Ooh, girl, you tripping. You know this stuff goes a long way. You know that. Black felt head. Put some down here. Put too much. Let's set. So I'm gonna go in with my C6 in MAC, and I'm going to set my under eye. I'm just using a tapered brush. I think this one was by Sigma. Yeah, the F35 brush. And I'm just setting everywhere I highlighted at. I'm actually gonna go ahead and get my lines in too. Get my lines in, you know. I wanna go ahead and go in with my Sacha Buttercup. I'm just going to use, I'm actually gonna use my damp beauty blender. And I'm gonna bake a little bit. I want this to last a while. While I am baking, I'm gonna go ahead and hit those highlighted areas. I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm gonna take a big old fluffy brush and I'm gonna hit those highlighted or those contoured areas just to set. So then I want to go ahead and go in with our MAC, what is this? Our blunt and my e.l.f. brush, and we're just going to chisel. We're gonna sculpt out these areas, you know? Let's go ahead and concentrate on the bottom eye real quick. Let's just get it over with. Let's go ahead and go in with, I kind of want to do like a sultry. I'm going to go in with the Desi and Kate Francation palette in Jeans. That's Jeans. And I'm going to take a flat shader brush. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I'm going to take a flat shader brush by Sephora. Just super flat. Actually, this is not a shader brush. This is a eyeliner brush, I believe. Just line a flat brush like this. And we're going to line the bottom. And with my Inglot 77 gel liner, and I'm going to line my bottom lash line. I'm just using some L'Oreal brush. And we're gonna go ahead and go in with our Hypnose Drama Mascara by Lancome. We're gonna hit these bottom little itty bitty tiny lashes. Cute. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Danessa Myricks Wet Balm. Looks like this. I'm gonna take the back of my beauty blender, swirl it around, kind of like that. It's just like this clear, translucent, Vaseline-y looking like substance. And I'm just going to hit right up in here. I'm gonna use this as a base to apply my highlight. That's what we're doing. This is what she looks like alone. So I will be playing with her a lot more this summer when I start doing my glowy, natural glow looks, you know what I'm saying? But for now, we're gonna add a little highlight on top of this. I'm gonna go in with MAC's Opal. Found it and I've just been loving it all over again, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use just a stippling brush. My Opal's broke, y'all, so yeah. It's not pretty. Let me just take a little bit and then just swirl it on in. Today is just going to be a very extra day. Why not? I like to put a little right in here. I'm here for it. All right, let's line these lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with MAC Strip Down Lip Pencil and line my lips. I'm gonna take Dose of Colors Chocolate Wasted and apply this. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. I hope you apply it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time,